One of the great things about Realty Sync and Agent Access is that you can create and manage a file weeks before you need to turn it into the brokerage. This is especially useful if you're working on a for sale by owner that just isn't ready to list yet, or any other type of pending transaction. Agent Access will allow you to create a transaction for your own use. Then, when it's ready to be submitted to the brokerage, you can submit it with one click. Let me show you how. Every transaction needs to begin with a contact, so let's find the contact that this transaction will belong to. You can do this by using the search box or by adding a new contact. It's important that this contact is assigned the type client. By making their type a client, the system will give you the ability to create a file. To create a new transaction, click on Assign a file to this client. When the page refreshes, you'll see a new page with blank fields. This is where you can enter information about this potential transaction. You'll notice that in the status field you now have additional options. Let's make this one a pre-listing. Fill in the rest of the fields that are important to you and save. When the page reloads, you'll see that you have several new options along the right side. Adding a document is as easy as drag and drop. Depending on the browser you're using, you can drag and drop up to 10 PDFs at a time. At this point, the file isn't available for anyone else to view, even the brokerage. You can keep working on this file in Agent Access Premium for as long as you need. Even after it becomes a transaction and you turn it into the office, you'll still be able to enter and store information that isn't shared. To turn this file into the office, all you need to do is click on the icon labeled Submit this file as a new transaction. A new box will open that lets you know that this information will be sent over in its current state. Anything you add after this submission will not be shared. Uncheck the documents that you do not want to submit to the brokerage and click Submit New Transaction. A new page will open that allows you to confirm the submission, add new information, and save. You'll notice that the documents you're submitting to the brokerage are red text highlighted in yellow. This will indicate to you that the brokerage has not yet reviewed those documents. When you get to the home page, you'll see a pending status for this file. When the brokerage accepts it, that status will change. To keep working on this file, just go to Files and All Files, and you'll see it on the list. Now, using Realty Sync, you can track your expenses, keep track of your own deadlines, and even see information from your brokerage regarding this transaction. Just keep in mind that some of these sections are for you to add and track information, and others are for you to view the brokerage information. We think Realty Sync and Agent Access will have a dramatic impact on the way you manage your transactions.